So now she's saying goodbye and she's all like, I love you, bye, mwah, I love you. So she hangs up and she's like, yay, I got that out of the way. And all of her friends are like, woo. And she's like, I'm gonna get wasted every day. I'm gonna make out with every single cabana boy I can find. Woo! Whoa. All of her friends are cheering her on and they're all screaming, and then it gets quiet for a second. And all of a sudden, you hear Scott's voice. Honey, I'm still here. You didn't hang up.
Honey, I'm still here. You're doom. Mama, you're doom.
To a singles mixer, and only women showed up.
Ladies, let me put you on. It's basketball season, baby. These men are watching TV. These men are playing games with the boys. These men are at the gym getting them gains in, loving themselves. You know why? Because men have gotten so tired of women in this generation saying, I don't need you guys. I'm independent. If he doesn't have 6 figures, 6'5", 20-inch funded pee-pee, I don't want him. When you act like you don't want somebody, what do you think they're gonna do? Reciprocate that energy. Why am I gonna waste my time and energy, money and all that and put it into somebody who don't want it? And also, you ladies aren't traditional anymore. Y'all don't wanna suck, y'all don't wanna cook, y'all don't wanna do nothing. You guys don't wholeheartedly love men as much as you do anymore. And that's fine, do what you want. But when guys don't wanna take you on dates and all that, understand, this is what you guys created. That's why I told you guys, the women empowerment and all that fuck men this, look where it's getting you guys. But it's your fault.
She's totally right. It's your fault. We have to remember now, women give men the access to sex, right? But men hold the access to marriage. No, a lot of these women are complaining that men are not approaching them anymore. This is because the rejection plus the disrespect turn men off completely. Men used to get rejected by a simple no or a no thank you, I have a boyfriend. Nowadays, men are being told, ew, boy, bye. Oh, the audacity. So it's like, why would I even approach you if I know that 8 out of 10 times you're going to be disrespectful? Men are now going where they're appreciated, but still you have people that still find problems with it. You know, you have men that are dating out of their race, and you have women, black women, that are complaining about that. But if you personally don't like him, why would he try to cater to you? Why not go somewhere else where he's liked and respected? I don't know. It's just me.
Let's be real about it. Men are seeing everything. Some of you women are irrational. Some of you women allow your emotions to dictate your behavior. Also, a lot of you women have allowed society to condition you. And many of you women compare your relationships and your dating experiences to those of your friends. So not only does he have to meet up to your standards, but he also has to meet up to your friends' unrealistic standards or unrealistic expectations as well, because you tend to place those on the men you date. Come on now. Do some self-reflection to see. Maybe you're the problem.
Yo, the crazy thing about this all is that human beings have a problem taking account for the bullcrap they do, especially women. That's the strange part about it. Whenever you try to hold someone accountable, they see it as an attack. I don't know what it is about holding someone accountable, and they feel attacked, genuinely attacked, like you're pointing me out because you don't like me. No. I'm showing you the flaws in your ways. I'm showing you the chinks in your armor. This is how you can improve. If you're having problems with men, maybe you can tweak this or change that. But no, it is seen as a hit out. Now, social media did a number on our men and women. Yes, men and women, but for the purpose of this video, I'm only talking about the females right now. Yo, social media did a number on our women, right? From clothing to accessories. Like, remember, makeup was just like lipstick, eyeliner, and something like that. No, makeup, you're contouring your face, you're shaping your face, making your nose look smaller. These people are preying on these women insecurity. Social media is ruining relationships. Social media is ruining the date. Well, it has ruined the dating world, because we see where everybody feel like they have options now. A lot of you men feel like you have options because you have money and women are flocking to you. No, my boy. They like your money, not you. A lot of you women are thinking you're the prize and you're the catch because a lot of men are running you down because you're beautiful. No, mama, that ass is fat and your pum pum and print out of the leggings. You understand? So he want to smash. You thinking you have options, well, this man will never marry you. He's just here to beat and skeet. So we in social media world, we see all of these people running to us, flocking to us, especially if you have a little clout. When I just started in this this comedic industry, man, any girl who wanted to smash, we smashing. As long as you're in reachable distance. If not, and I'm in your state one day, we gonna smash. Because I love that. I'm like, damn, new girls every day, new girls every week. Social media did that. I wasn't focused on one woman because the whole world is open up to me now. So can you imagine how the average woman have this access? The average woman don't have to come on social media and tell no jokes. Just come and take a picture and look pretty. So can you imagine how crazy it is? How crazy one of these girls' DM must look. Ridiculous, huh?
What up, fam? I'm the modern masculine man, and I'm going to do a podcast on this subject. Buzzwords in the black community like toxic and settle and
hate it.
There's so many new buzzwords, narcissism.
I hate it.
And these buzzwords have true meaning to it. But we use them in the wrong context because of the social context. The newest buzzword I see my sister saying is, I'm not going to settle. I won't settle. I won't settle. Well, you know, billion-dollar companies settle.
Ooh.
It's a settlement. I give something to get something. I don't receive something to give something. It's a settlement.
Wait. I didn't want to pause this video, but I don't want to move past this. The average female out there will complain that, oh, I will never settle, even for the man who's on the same tier as her. She thinks dating a guy who's on the same level as her is settling. Most men settle for women because women marry up. Men marry down because you want a provider, right? You want somebody to front your lifestyle and fund your lifestyle, right? So he has to be in a better position economically. So that means you married up and he married down. Most men settle in relationships, but you don't hear these men saying, oh man, I ain't settling for none of these girls, man. That's why I keep telling you dudes, start dating like females. Females have it right. Start dating like females. Who the hell are you as an average female to tell me you're not settling and we're on the same page? Who are you? Billion-dollar companies settle. Who are you? You got $40 to your name and I just gave that to you.
They're not going to settle. Are you saying I want what I want and my terms are my terms and I won't give or break or bend? Think about these buzzwords. These buzzwords have power. Michael Jackson, Bill Gates has settled cases. Billion-dollar corporations have settled. Billion-dollar corporate settlements, accidents, in order to not settle.
It's not
these buzzwords. You're saying I'm stuck in my ways and I won't change. I like tall guys, so if the guy's perfect, I won't date a short guy. I like guys with money, so if he don't have this, I won't date him. I'm stuck in my ways. And I won't give up some of my preferences to get what I need out of life. As if settling is a bad thing. Help us, Jesus.
It's so crazy. A lot of us look at settling like it's a bad thing. No, it's not. It's not a bad thing. It's knowing what's in front of you and appreciating it. Now, what he said, she could find a guy who's economically stable, right? He can manage his kids and manage your lifestyle, but he's not over 6 feet. You don't want him because, oh, I'm not settling for no guy that's shorter than me. He has everything else checked off, but because he's short, you don't want to date him. Let's move to something else now. Let's say he's a $70,000 earner every year, right? That's above average in America. That's, by the way, okay, that's above average. I think the average household is like 40, 50,000, but let's say he earns $70,000 for the year, right? A lot of these women who earn $70,000 will look at that man like he's broke. I've seen... Hey, the internet is a very funny place and it's very scary at the same time, because if you realize the mindset of some of these people, you'd realize that a lot of us don't sit down and think about the things that we're saying or the things that we are doing. We don't. And then we come on the internet looking all goofy. Yuck, yuck.
I want you to squeeze your blood clot throat. Dirty woman, you know? Or you wicked son.
You overhear the best conversations in the airport. So this group of about 8 women are all together. They're having a great time. They've already started drinking. They're all obviously going on vacation. So the loudest of the group says, "Let me FaceTime my husband to say goodbye. You know how he gets."
Wait. Let me pause that real quick. I didn't. Yo, first of all, his delivery is crazy. Let me tell you this. You guys need to read up about speech, okay? The lower you talk, it's the more people tune in because they want to hear what you're saying. If you're loud, somebody can hear from over there, and they really don't care. They're really not interested. But if you look mystical and you're speaking at a tone that makes people lean in, you will garner a lot of attention. Learn how to control a room. Anyway, I love your delivery so far, sir. Anyway, go continue to the story. I'm going to say that story I got juicy.
So she calls him on FaceTime, and all of her friends get behind her, and they're all like, "Hi, Scott. Hey, Scott. Don't worry. We'll take good care of her." And she's like, "Okay, honey. Don't worry. I'll be safe. I'll have a great time. I love you. I'll miss you." I hear the husband say, "Okay, be safe. Don't get too crazy, Kelly." She's all like, "You know I love you. I won't get too crazy." And all her friends are like, "Yeah, she'll be great. Don't worry." So now she's saying goodbye, and she's all like, "I love you, bye, mwah, I love you." So she hangs up, and she's like, "Yay, I got that out of the way." And all of her friends are like, "Woo!" And she's like, "I'm gonna get wasted every day. I'm gonna make out with every single cabana boy I can find. Woo!"
Whoa.
All of her friends are cheering her on, and they're all screaming, and then it gets quiet for a second. And all of a sudden, you hear Scott's voice. "Honey, I'm still here. You didn't hang up."
Honey, I'm still here. You're doom. Mama, you're doom. So what the dog I say, the dog say him there at the airport and him overhear some conversation with some woman we are go on a girls trip. Mama say she can call her husband. Make sure everything seal and sign and deliver. You understand? I say cool him down. Make sure Scott is in a good place mentally because you don't know girls trip and if they about to get wild. If your girl just show up on a girl trip, she can sit down for the next man hood, brother. If your girl says she go up on a girl's trip, she go sit down on the next man hood and probably suck it. Me don't know about bro. You understand what I say? But my girl can't go on a girl's trip. If you want to go on a girl's trip, me I come to me. I buy a wig and buy a sundress. Me I come on a blood clot girl's trip. You know, blood clot something I'm gonna joke. I make listen, don't do that. If you ever got the measures there, leave her alone. You don't know me. I'm very dramatic. So I go run joke on them something there. But no, don't. If you have to do them something there, leave her alone, bad bro. But anyway, more hear the rest of the story real quick.
You have never seen a group of women sober up so quickly. She's all like, I was just kidding, Scott." All of her friends are trying to help her out, and they're all like, "She was just joking. It was just a joke." Scott is clearly perturbed. They're all trying to save their girl, so they're all like, "Scott, she knew you were there. She's just joking. It was just a joke." Scott's quiet for a few seconds, and then all of a sudden I hear him say, "So's our marriage."
Ooh.
And he hangs up. It's gonna be a long flight to Cabo for Kelly.
Damn, Cabo Kelly, you are doomed, mamacita. Let me tell you something. The man says Scott was silent on the phone. When Scott was silent on the phone, Scott was Googling top lawyer in my area. Man says Scott did quiet. Scott did a Google top divorce lawyer in my area. Mama, you're going to Cabo with your friends. You bragged on the phone. Well, you didn't know you were on the phone. She bragged on the phone of she's going to make out with every cabana boy she sees. Imagine this is someone who's married and her girlfriends who are maybe in a relationship, could be single, but married as well because married people roll with married people. So they are co-signing her bad behavior. Gentlemen, I tell you this. Your girl's friends are not your friends. I'm gonna say it again. You see your woman, you see fear friend them, and are your friend them. I tell her that right now, bad bro. The girl did go on vacation, and because the phone never hung up, that's why the man here she say, all our friend them are go along with our local liar something there. Oh no, Scott, she was just joking. She was just playing around, co-signing the stupidness. What if you go and make out with the cabana boys and get herpes? You go make out with somebody and get herpes and bring it back to your husband. It's a reason why that phone never hung up. God was working that day. Make your ear say your wife is a 304. You a hoe.
I want to catch up squeeze your blood clot throat. Dirty woman, you. Oh, you wicked son.
Yeah, demon girl. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. And I say, I said a mouthful. Let me know what you think. Can I send them? I say, I don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. Up more! Hello? 911? Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, and every time after the video them done, them people don't go them yard. No, I'm just want to come and tell them to come go home, car. But take off my shirt, I don't want nobody look at me when I'm indecent. Yes, sir. Okay. Police are come lock up on the blood clot. Stay there.